Good morning, it is Saturday, February 22nd, and so what I got done yesterday is I finished this guy. So I got the handle built, I got a little bit of this, I just wanted to reveal a little shiny through the brass, and I think honestly some of this is bronze, but leave that antiquing, so that's exactly what I wanted it to look like. You can see that it's still really old, but at the same point, there's just a little bit of shiny through it. And he wanted to sharpen the last like 12 inches of it, so you can see it's sharp to about here, and then I kind of blended it out. Got all the nicks out of it in that section, but we're not doing anything to the blade, so that's done.